I'm Mark.
I'm Phil.
And I'm Paul.
And we're the Pitfire Boys. And when we're not at Bunnings, we're in a hazel blue smoke cooking up a storm.
And we're going to show you everything you need to start smoking.
Hi, I'm Mark, very passionate about smoking meat, and I'm going to show you how to use an electric pellet smoker. The first thing we're going to do is find some power and plug the machine in. Next, we have to load up the hopper with that hardwood smoking pellet. That will really add that smoky flavour to your cook. It's now as easy as selecting the temperature on the dial, which turns on the auger, feeding the pellets into the fire chamber. The electronic element will automatically ignite the wood pellets. You'll hear a dull roar from inside the fire chamber, and you'll know your pellet smoker is ready to go. I like the pellet smoker because it's a very easy unit to use. Once you set the temperature, you don't have to worry about it anymore. Now that your barbecue's up to temperature, you're ready to get some meat in there and get smoking.